What's poppin', what's Gucci, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. So right now I'm getting ready to drive to the Great Mall to stop at Uniqlo and get myself another pair of shorts. The dry fit shorts that I got from there a couple of months ago are super nice. I can literally wear them out, wear them casually at home, or even to the gym. But anyways, it's super hot, so let's head on over to the mall. Alright, you guys, we are currently at the Great Mall, as you can see right here, and I think Uniqlo is just straight ahead, so I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible because frankly, vlogging in public is something that I'm still fairly new at, so it's kind of weird to seeing everybody look at me while I'm holding a camera. So yeah, if I rush or anything like that, you know the reason why. Alright, so I'm trying to look for these shorts right now. I have no idea where they are. The store worker said they were somewhere around here, but I don't see them, so let's just look around for them. Okay, so you guys, these are literally like the most comfy shorts ever. I have this pair in black. I'm gonna get another one because like you can't have enough black shirts and black pants, right? And I think I'm gonna get this gray one as well. Alright guys, so we secured the baggage and right now I'm about to go home just to rest for a little bit. I am going to the gym at 2 o'clock, so I'm going to try out these pair of shorts, the gray ones. But yeah, today's vlog is going to be kind of like random because I'm going to get boba later because the Lakers game is going to be on. I live in the Bay Area, but I support LA all the way just because I always love the Lakers. I always love Kobe Bryant, and LeBron James is on the Lakers now, which makes it even better, so go Lakers. Tomorrow's gonna be a little bit more interesting because a subscriber of mine asked me to go to the Fremont factory to pick up his Tesla Model 3, and it's a long range one, so it's gonna be super cool, it's gonna be super fun. I'm really excited for him, but yeah, see you guys in a bit. What's up guys, it's 3:51 right now, which means the Lakers game is on in like 30 minutes. I just got done with the gym, it was a great workout, and I just went home, showered. Now I'm gonna take you guys along with me to one of my favorite boba spots here in the Bay Area. I don't wanna be late for the game, so let's go. Alright, we're at 7 Leaves now, and I was really hoping that there wouldn't be a line, but there is a line, so I'm not going to take you guys in with me because I think it's going to be like a 15-minute wait or something like that. I'm just going to go get my drink first because it's super hot outside, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Woo! Just got my drink. I am so happy. Here it is. This is a large mung bean milk tea with boba added. Less sweetness because we're saving on the sugar. And this has to be like one of my all-time favorite bobas. If you've never had this before, basically it's a milk tea. It's super good and it's usually located in like bigger cities. So if you're in a rural area, chances are you might not have a boba tea shop. But if you ever travel to like the Bay Area or anywhere big, I highly recommend trying this. It's so good. I haven't had this in like months, so first sip, let's go. Oh, it's so good, you guys. Alright, you guys, it's 4:23 right now. I'm gonna hustle home because the game starts in like literally 7 minutes. But I don't have anything else interesting to show you guys today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so before I close out today's vlog, I actually want to clarify something. I mentioned earlier that this drink is boba. Basically, it is. That's what it's known for. But boba is actually short for tapioca pearls. It's the little black balls that you see in these drinks. They're really chewy, but it doesn't have to be milk tea. It could be fruit tea, it could be like an espresso. It's pretty diverse in terms of like all the drinks that boba offers. You can also get it in like grass jelly, and then there's a whole bunch of other toppings like red bean as well. You really just have to go to a boba shop and just take a look at all of the available items on the menu. But yeah, I just wanted to clear that up for you guys. See you tomorrow. What is up, you guys? It is currently the next day. It's 10:44. I'm going to be driving to the Tesla factory because one of my subscribers named Nelson, he asked me to be a part of his delivery process. And I honestly don't know what to expect. I don't really know what to do. But at the same time, I'm going to do my best to capture some of his reactions because I still remember the day that I took delivery of my Tesla Model 3. It was super cool, but I didn't get a chance to film it. But yeah, it's 10:45 now. I don't want to be late, so I'll see you guys there. What's up, y'all? I just got to the Tesla factory, as you can see right there, right behind me. I don't see Nelson's car yet, but I did see a car that I absolutely want in the future. So since Nelson is not here yet, let me just take you guys for a closer look at my dream Model 3. Alright guys, so there's Nelson and his family. This is gonna be so weird for me, but it's really cool. Let me go ahead and go out there real quick. How's it going?
How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Hey, I recognize you, dude. Famous.
Oh no, not at all.
Hey.
Let's go, man.
Just want to say that I'm very proud to be here and picking up my Tesla.
Yeah, which one's yours? Yes.
You know what, dude? You're the pro here. This is my first time dealing with unlocking, finding my car, so I don't know how it works.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna need my cell phone, so I need to get it.
Yeah. How do you feel?
It's a surreal experience, man. I used to make fun of Tesla people before. You know, because before when the Model S came out and the Model X, I wasn't so thrilled about it. But when Model 3 came out, it just makes more sense for me to have a Model 3 because I drive long commutes.
Yeah.
And
that's why you got the long range too.
That's why I got the long range too. And it just, I like how it looks.
Yeah.
Clean, modern. I've driven the Model S before and it feels tight.
Right.
The interior feels tight and kind of, I don't say outdated, but it feels a little bit outdated. Anyway, dude, I've been, so I was lurking your channel for a long time, dude.
Yeah.
And then I finally decided to subscribe because I like how you, I think I told you in the email, you just sound very genuine.
Thanks, man.
You know, you seem very approachable. And that's something that a lot of people seem very forced when they do their videos, you know what I mean? They feel like they're not as your average person. I don't know.
I appreciate that, man.
Cool, man.
Honestly, it means a lot to me that you guys invited me, you and your family.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
Really cool.
I recognize some of the area where you were driving, so I was like, hey, you know what? He might be local, so
Yeah.
Okay, how do I honk it, man?
So go to your controls.
Controls?
Yep. And then there's all that.
Okay, honk.
Oh, I told you it's that black one right there.
It's
You wanna go
awesome,
find out?
dude. Yeah, let's go.
So shiny right from the factory. You know, honestly, guys, this is so cool. Like, I've never had a subscriber invite me out here to take delivery of his Tesla Model 3, or at least invite me for the process of it. I am just absolutely mind blown because, like, I never thought my small YouTube channel could be such a huge influence to viewers out there. So yeah, this is a really cool experience for me, and moving forward from the channel, if anybody lives in the Bay Area and wants me to be out here, I'm happy to do so if time permits. Again, I'm just super humbled by this experience. It's really cool. Even though I'm not taking delivery of this Tesla Model 3, I understand how it feels to take delivery of it. So yeah, Nelson's over there taking a video of his delivery experience, and if I can link his YouTube channel, I'll link it down below so you guys can check out his videos. And Nelson wanted to know like some of the things to, like, what to look out for when you take delivery of a Tesla. I would say the couple things that are most important would be like the paint issues, any panel gap issues, and just overall defects with the car. So right now it's sunny, so it's perfect lighting to actually take a closer look at the car. I think once the professionals come out here and take a closer look, they might be able to tell better, because Nelson did invite the guys over from OC Detailing out here because he's gonna get his car wrapped in stealth. And what else are you gonna do with your car?
I'm gonna do a chrome delete. I'm gonna do a tint the front and back windows, side windows as well. I'm also going to, you know, do the center console. I'm gonna put some protective vinyl in it. Yeah, it's gonna be very pretty penny, but you know what? I want to protect it. It's brand new, and I'm gonna be using it a lot. So
yeah,
I'm gonna remove the covers, wheel covers, arrow wheels, and then do a what do you call that? The I forgot the name for it. You know, they're gonna paint the wheels. Powder coat, yes.
By the way, you guys, this delivery process is super cool because it's completely like personless or touchless. I forgot what the exact name is called, but basically all the paperwork is listed inside or located inside the car, so Nelson can easily just sign it and then drop it off. This way he doesn't have to come in contact with anybody else, and I think Tesla is doing a great job at taking a look at the current pandemic and making adjustments to it. All right, so the guys from OC Detailing are out here to inspect the car, and overall Nelson's got his head like right in the game because he's protecting the car from the very start, meaning that since his commute is pretty far, he's gonna avoid things like, or not avoid, but you know, just try to loosen up things like rock damages and things like that. So smart thinking. All right, guys, so Nelson just dropped off his car, or the people at OC Detailing just picked up the car. They're gonna do like a full wrap on it. It's gonna be super sick. Nelson's actually gonna be starting a channel. It's gonna be called
Naughty Tesla,
and I'll link it down below if I can get the URL. But yeah, thank you so much, Nelson, for inviting me over. This is absolutely like, it's humbling, and I've never had this done before, so I really appreciate the whole experience, and I'm looking forward to seeing what's on your YouTube channel and seeing what else is going to be done on the car. So yeah. Thank you again, man.
Well, thank you, dude. Thank you for coming over. It means a lot to me. Like I said, I'm one of your original followers. Hopefully, you know, hopefully I'll be there, you know, when you have your thousands of followers.
Absolutely.
Millions of followers. And yeah, hopefully in the future we can do something together, you know, with the Teslas.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool.
All right, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye to Nelson now. Thanks again to him for inviting me out here. It was super cool. All right, man.
All right, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. Safe driving, man.
Hey, you too. Wow, that was a super humbling experience. I honestly didn't expect one of my subscribers to invite me to his delivery day experience, so that was super cool. Shout out to Nelson again. Back when I first started this channel, I never imagined somebody would be reaching out to me saying, hey, you influenced me to buy a Tesla. Will you be there for my delivery day experience? So it's just absolutely astounding, and it's mind-blowing to see how much the channel has grown, and also at the same time see how many people that I've influenced. So yeah, I'll say this again. If you live in the San Francisco Bay Area, I'll try my best to be there for your delivery day experience as well if you want me to be there. I think it's one of those times that it's like really exciting in your life, and you just want to share it with others as well. So feel free to hit me up on email or even leave a comment down below. I'd love to be there. But yeah, it's about 12:30 right now. I'm gonna go home, eat some lunch, and then I do have another gym appointment at 2 o'clock. So I'm just gonna quickly eat lunch and then head on over. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. If you enjoyed today's vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to check out Nelson's channel at Naughty Tesla. As always, you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.